Before.
What, your farm? I've seen it before.
Yeah, I think it was here.
Oh yeah, I've been here a couple times. I like to take students to your place.
Huh?
I like to take students here.
Oh yeah,
It's a lot of fun.
With the other girl, right?
Oh, probably a lot of other girls. Okay. What kind of chicken is that? The black and white ones?
I don't know. It's something special, you know. So that's why I keep them in here. You know?
Where you get them for 4-H?
Huh?
Where you get them for 4-H? 4-H fair?
You know what I mean? I like, you know, I mean, because when I grew up in a farm, you know what I mean? It's like, you know.
Do you eat them or?
I don't even shave, I know.
Do you eat them or are they?
Yeah, for the eggs, for things like that.
They have a lot of eggs. Okay, we got a bunny.
Huh?
We got a bunny rabbit here.
Yeah.
Big bunny. Can we see the bunny?
No, that's the only one. See, I mean, it's the only one here.
Huge bunny rabbit. Hi, bunny rabbit. Oh, wow. It's all by itself. I didn't know bunny rabbits made noises.
They make a noise? I don't think so. I don't know.
Ducks.
Yeah, that's...
You don't eat any of them?
Yeah, of course. That's where I got them. I got it for the eggs and, you know.
Do you eat the birds or
Huh?
do you get to eat the turkeys?
Yeah. You know, when I get them